Hello everyone, welcoming you to Saurabh Sir's classes, and today we are looking at the ISI MSQE 2023 paper, question number 3. Consider a market where the demand function is P is equals to 100 minus Q, where P is the market price and Q is the aggregate demand. There are 23 firms, each with a cost function Ci of Qi is Qi square by 2, where I runs from 1 to 23. Then the Cournot-Nash equilibrium is how much? That is the question. So let us take down the information. So the inverse demand function P is equals to 100 minus Q, where Q is basically Q1, Q2, Q2, 3, because there are 23 firms in the market. So N is equals to 23. The cost function of Ci of Qi is basically Qi square divided by 2. Now, one thing which we certainly know from our understanding of the Cournot model is that since the cost functions are the same, the marginal costs are the same, so at equilibrium, Q1 star will be equals to Q2 star is equals to Q23 star. That means all the firms will produce equal amounts at the Cournot optimal. So if I talk about a generic form pi I, the profit expression will be basically P into Qi minus Ci, which is a function of Qi. Right? So that is basically, P is basically 100 minus Q. So if I just write Qi minus summation I not equals to j Qj, so this can be the demand function Qi minus Qi square divided by 2. So now for the Cournot optimal, the firm will choose that level of output that maximizes profit. So del pi I by del Qi is equals to 0. So this will basically give you 100 minus Qi minus summation I not equals to j Qj plus Qi into minus 1 minus Qi is equals to 0. Okay, at optimal, like we have already noted, Qi star will be equals to Qj star for all I and j. Okay, so that means I can simply write 100 minus Qi minus n minus 1 Qi minus Qi is equals to 0. So that is basically 100, 1, 2, 3. So minus 3 Qi minus n minus 1 Qi is equals to 0. So if you club the Q terms together, so that will be minus of n minus 1 plus 3 Qi is equals to 0. So that is 100 minus n plus 2 Qi is equals to 0. So what will be the optimal Qi star? That will be 100 divided by n plus 2. N over here is 23. So 23 plus 2. So 100 by 25, and that gives your answer as 4. That means at optimal, every firm will produce 4 units of output. If you look at the options, that is option number C. Okay, thank you.